Too much attention has risen among the public and the private estate owners after receiving the information concerning the expiry letters of administration and probate. The changes stem from the Uganda Succession Amendment Act of 2022. The letters of the administration granted to the private persons before May 31st, 2022 will expire on May 31st, 2025. However, grants issued to the Administrator General before the May 31st remains valid until the May 31st, 2027, and the affected individuals can apply to the court for their extension.
The third category, which is also very important because it involves again the general public, but people are not talking about it much, are letters of administration issued to the Administrator General. Now, Administrator General also has letters of administration on estates issued by court. Some families even don't know that Administrator General has letters on their estates, especially the grandchildren and so on and so forth. So it is only when they come to process them, and then we say, but Administrator General got letters in 1990. But people were in slumber, they were not following up their interests. So the Administrator General for him, unlike private persons who were given 3 years, the Administrator General for him was given 5 years. So in other words, the letters of administration issued to the Administrator General before 31st May 2022 are going to expire on 31st May 2027.
According to Henry Kuloba, Senior State Attorney for the Administrator General, a significant problem has arisen in the administration of the estates. Some of the administrators have taken ownership of the properties belonging to the deceased, hindering the rightful heirs from accessing and benefiting from their assets.
There was that misconception when an administrator gets letters of administration, they think that they are owners of the property. And some beneficiaries have never benefited from their father's estate because administrators think that it is their property. So it is important that when they give you power, you should come back to court and tell court why you need more time. And the beneficiaries should tell court that yes, we have no problem with him. Actually, he just has issues with court cases. He has issues with this.
He furthermore voiced that the Parliament has failed to provide adequate guidance to the public regarding the pension of the estates. This lack of clarity has resulted into significant delays and complications in the administration of the estates.
So those letters only expire after you people have finished receiving the pension. So that is also something that did not come out clearly and was causing alarm. Estates receiving pension, since pension takes time, the letters will not expire until the pension is exhausted.
According to Joel Wengoye, the senior magistrate grade 1 in the judiciary of Uganda, further clarifications have been provided on the interaction of laws in the country. Wengoye's insights aim to shed light on the complexities of the law reporting in Uganda, outlining how the different laws intersect and impact the legal system.
The common person has to know the meaning of how the law interacts. Like Council Kuloba has said this about the Succession Act and what it totally means. But you take it at another level and say, what did Parliament mean? What was the intention of Parliament? What was the intention of the courts in passing specific decisions? So even how the laws interact has to be explained to the common man for them to understand what they are doing.
Historically, grants of the probate and letters of administration in Uganda had no expiration date, leading to the delays in the estate distributions, sometimes lasting decades. This allowed some administrators to neglect their duties and misuse their authority, denying beneficiaries their entitlements.